So we just got back from South America, and man, the crowds there are just so amazing. They love music, and they love to show it with their jumping and with their screaming and with other ways. Like on an Encore moment, I remember walking out, or not even on stage yet, I started playing "Falling Away From Me," that down, 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 and the crowd started singing it louder than me, so I just stopped playing it, and they just were like, oh. A little part that 6 notes. I wrote 6 notes in 2000, in the year 2000, and to hear thousands of people just singing those notes, it hit me hard. I was getting emotional.
Coming down here because you're the only motherfuckers in the world that do that shit.